welcome to my channel, your Jamaican Locked Queen. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Hey guys, so this is a lock update. I interlocked my hair 1 month and 2 weeks ago. I did the 2-strand twist method. If you haven't checked these videos out, please check them out. Thank you. My hair was doing super well until I decided to wash it 1 week later after interlocking. The ends started to frizz out, which was expected, but maybe a little further down. Definitely not a week later. Be careful of the products that you use and also the method that you use to wash your hair. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So I am using my new interlocking tool to lock my hair. This tool is super easy to use. All you need to do is add your hair to the tool, make sure that it stays in the tool, and do your rotations. So this is how I want it. Definitely no tighter. If you want it tighter, you can rotate your tool some more, but this is it for me. So I'm just going on the second one now. For the third one and a few others, I had to retwist them, and you will find that you will have to do the same to your locks. That is totally fine. This is really easy to do. Remember, you are in control of the way you want your hair to be. So if you want it a little tighter, a little neater, then you can go for it. This is how it looks when it is finished. The ends are still frizzy, but that's okay. That is how it will be for a while. The roots are much better. So yes, that's it. This is the end of this Loc tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Until next time, bye.